Sometimes you might find that hot weather is followed by a thunderstorm. And sure enough, following record-breaking heat waves this summer, we are now experiencing downpours and spectacular storms as we head into autumn and cooler temperatures. Often storms occur in an unstable atmosphere, which essentially means when it's been hot or humid for a while, and there's lots of warm air sitting under cool air, triggering lightning strikes. Lightning creates those loud claps of thunder we hear, and we'll often get a sudden downpour of rain for good measure. Of course, no one wants to be caught out in a storm, taking shelter in a nearby shop, or legging it to the car while getting completely drenched. Better to be watching it from your window. Sometimes, though, you just do happen to be outside while a thunderstorm is happening. And perhaps that's got you thinking about the likelihood of lightning not just striking, but striking you. Curious? Here are your odds, plus how to tell how far away the storm is from your location. How likely are you to be struck by lightning? In a nutshell, you're not very likely to be struck by lightning at all. The Royal Society for the Prevention of Accidents, ROSPA, says that lightning strikes the ground around 300,000 times per year in the UK and notes 30 to 60 people are struck by lightning each year in Britain, and on average, 10% of these strikes are fatal. UK mortality statistics show that in 2005 there were 2 fatalities caused by lightning strikes. ROSPA says people who are often outdoors, such as hill walkers, climbers, golfers, and agricultural workers, are most at risk. If indeed around 60 people do get struck each year, that is one person for every 1,118,016 people, based on a UK population of 67,081,000, as estimated by the Office for National Statistics, ONS. However, other sources cite a variety of different odds. Some suggest you have a 300,000 to 1 chance of being struck, while others offer more reassuring odds of 10 million to 1. Either way, it's sadly true that you have a much better chance of being struck by lightning than winning the national lottery jackpot. Can you tell how far lightning is from you? If so, how? Yep, you can tell how far away you are from a thunderstorm. You can do this by counting the seconds between the lightning, always seen first, and the sound of thunder, which follow. Thunder and lightning are actually produced at the same time during a storm, but as light travels faster than sound does, you will see the strike or flash before you hear a low rumble or clap. As the Met Office explains, essentially, thunder is the sound produced by lightning. When lightning strikes, the narrow channel of air through which it travels reaches temperatures of up to 30,000 degrees Celsius almost instantly. This intense heating causes the air to rapidly expand outward into the cooler air surrounding it, creating a rippling shock wave, which we hear as a rumbling thunderclap. The UK's National Meteorological Service adds that if you count the number of seconds between the lightning and thunder, then divide this number by 3, you will have an approximate distance in kilometers, km. However, if the storm is far away from you, you might not actually hear any thunder at all. According to the U.S. National Weather Service, you can also work out the distance of the storm in miles if you prefer. Again, count the seconds and divide the number by 5. Ideally, though, you should do any counting indoors to avoid getting caught in the storm.